Hey everybody, it's Neons. Check out what I got here. I got this here. This like a camouflage-ish looking lunch bag. I guess you would have to be camouflaged somewhere not in the wilderness because it's got blues and things in it. But let's see what this looks like here. So it's gonna open up like that, and you can put your lunch in it and zip it up, and you've got yourself a nice little lunch box. How cool is that? Let me see. I don't have much to put in there, but I got some bananas. So if I put my overripe bananas in my little lunchbox here, see, that'll be there. And it's got like nice little padding-y stuff in here. You could probably put some of those freezer packs in there to make it keep it cold. And I don't think it's gonna be completely waterproof necessarily, even though it's got a plastic inside. But it's really nice, and it's got that thermal lining on it, and then it's got a zipper thing inside, so you can put some stuff inside here. So if you like certain things separate from others, you can do that. You can have a little place here for your little water bottle or Capri Sun or something on the side. And then you got a handle on the top, and it's kind of cool too. So if you wanted to hang it up somewhere that you didn't quite have you had a loop, you could do that, clip it to hook it up somewhere so it'll be hanging. So you got a few different options with this, and it's a nice, good size lunch box. So take this with you wherever, and it looks kind of cool too. So very cool. And I guess with the camouflage, you got to make sure where you put it so you don't lose it. So there we go. Pocket in the front too. Very cool. Thumbs up.